What up, guys? Today we're doing some horse races, but we gotta drink whatever crap we want to put in it. So if I win, I get to put, say, a Milky Way in it. If he wins, he puts whatever he wants in. After 5 rounds, the loser has to drink it. Let's get right into it. Alright, I'm gonna go with, Ferrari in lane 3.
1.
Ooh, alright, who's gonna win this one? Are you ready? Ready to go. Okay. This is for round 1. This is for all my. Oh, okay. I got a nice head start right now.
Yeah, I'm
Are you nervous?
Though.
She's not. Oh gosh, she's coming back.
Of course I am.
It's not ridiculous. Of course I am. Dude, I'm fine. Oh no.
I hope your horse gets stuck.
Come on.
Nope.
Stop. Fall over.
Yeah, easy. Just a little cheese it.
Oh, a Cheez-It. Shout out to Cheez-It. Let's see this.
He sponsors us.
That looks nice.
Before.
Alright, 1 Cheez-It down. Black Beauty. Dub number 1. Picking.
With the white mamba.
Always going with the white mamba. I'm gonna go with the perp
Number 2.
terp in lane number 5. Alright, are we ready? Are we ready?
Let's go.
Alright, and we're off. This is a close one.
I'm starting it behind again, man. I'll bring it back. You know what they say about white horses.
What do they say?
They win. Always win.
Alright, since Cole won with
Again,
obviously.
We got Milk's favorite cookie.
He's got Oreos.
The
We're
Oreo.
not sponsored by Oreos if you're asking. So let's go ahead and throw that Oreo, in there. This is gonna be a nice challenge. I mean, I gotta win one eventually. So. Orange for me.
Purple.
Cole's got the purple nurple. I'm going lane 1. Horse. Oh, I think I might win this one, guys. Looking good for me.
Why do you assume they're guys?
What?
Why do you assume they're guys, Matt? Why can't girls watch your videos? I just won.
Look at me.
Wait.
I toasted you.
Wait, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall.
I'm not gonna fall. Oh, look at that.
Look.
Update. Cole's sore loser. Smacked the purple horse. We kind of lost.
I found it though.
It's way back in there. Cole freaking lost the horse. I mean, good one, Cole.
I'll get it though.
Good one. So we'll get back to you whenever we get the freaking horse. Well, we got it.
Got it. I got it.
We got it with this.
Greatest $3 you ever spent.
Greatest $3 I've ever spent.
Anyways, round 3 or 4.
So I get to choose a food.
No. He's putting orange juice in it.
Oh yeah. Tropicana orange juice. Let's go hefty on the juice.
No, please, no. If it's liquid,
Oh yeah.
I'm not.
Yes.
I'm not gonna be able to do it. I won't be able to do that.
Alright, we're back. Round number what? 4? Yep, 4. I think I'm gonna go with the blue booty.
Who's gonna? I'm stealing your Ferrari.
Oh, the Ferrari. Alright, I'm in lane.
Going stable too.
I'm in lane 4. He's in lane 2. We're gonna see. Alright, flip it. Come on, open the gate. Horse. Oh, and they're off. Oh, Ferrari's really losing speed. But the blue booty.
You know why they call them Ferraris? Because again, a man named Burr won a race in a Rari.
Well, since Cole won again, he's putting some, what are these, Lucky Charms?
Some marshmallows and the Krabby Cat food.
Oh, he's putting, cereal in. Wow.
There's cat food.
Are you going to put it in? Why'd you crumple it up? It's already small.
It'll be harder to swallow.
Nice.
I can't do it.
Just put it in.
There we go.
That's what she said.
There we go. It looks great.
I'm going Ferrari. In 6.
Back to the Black Beauty.
Black Beauty in
1.
In 1. Oh, we got the corners. Alright, flip it. Horse. Oh, I missed one. Oh, I got a good lead. Let's go, Ferrari.
Mine's going so much slower than yours. Mine's going so much slower than yours.
Nervous? Are you nervous?
It's not fair. I think lane 1 has a defect on it. We gotta get in and
Come back? Oh no.
a defect that always freaking wins!
Alright, back. Cole won again. Final round, he's putting a wheat thin in.
Piece of wheat then, because just because I don't want a lot of it.
Alright, wheat
just a
thin,
little
that's
bit.
the final round. Now we decide who has to drink it.
Back, final round.
Cole, what do you pick?
The white mamba.
The white
Got it
mamba.
in the out started.
I'm going with the orange juice.
And I'm going lane 4.
Always in lane 4. You know what? I believe in lane 3. They're going side by side.
I'm terrified.
Alright, flip it, Cole. This is
course.
for all the marbles. Oh, the white mamba's got to lead. I believe in orange juice. Come on, orange juice.
You know how scared I am? Because before this, we did it again, and I lost. And it had like jello in it, and I like threw up.
Nice.
I don't want to lose again.
Come on, orange juice. I know you can come back.
All that orange juice.
The white mamba has nothing on you.
Please. They always do that at the end. Please.
Come on, orange
Please.
juice.
Please.
Come on, orange juice.
Please. Please. Yes!
Yes! Drink that now.
You gotta mix up your final poison.
You know, this isn't. What is this?
A lobster fork.
Lobster is crab legs, by the way. Let's mix this up. You know, it doesn't even look that bad. Look at that.
Yeah,
Just like a little bit. Wait, what is the black thing?
Oreo.
Oh, Oreo. Oh, wow. Alright.
Alright, down it, Matt.
Right.
Down it. Whole thing.
So far, not bad.
I want you to put your tongue in there to get it clean.
Oh, yeah. It's good.
You get the cheese it yet?
It's good. It's really good.
Yeah. We should have Chef Cindy make some.
Mm.
You like it?
Oh, yeah. That's good.
How you feel? I can make you another. Oh, I watched it just slide down the cup into your mouth.
Yeah, that was good.
It was good, right?
I'm good. Woo! You ever gonna stop it? A wise sensei once told us, this bird here, Cole's a cheater. I mean,
Champion.
he won 4 out of 5. I mean, he won 5 out of 6.
It's the white bomb, I'm telling you.
He's a cheater. See? He even admitted it. Well,
You ate cheese it.
next time.